Hillyard scrub and recoat procedures using the wet preparation method and applying Basecoat II in 1907 gym finish. Notice, when utilizing the wet preparation method, wood floors must contain sufficient finish build. Newer sanded floors should be recoated 2 to 3 times before wet preparation. Also, the wet preparation method should not be used for glue down installations. They should only be prepared dry. Step 1. Inspect the floor and remove any gum or tape. Step 2. Clean, scrub, and abrade. The equipment and supplies required for Step 2 includes a 175 RPM floor machine and driver, Hillyard Pregame or Tack It, 3M surface preparation pads, SPPs, clean mop buckets with clean mops and handles, and a wet vacuum. Prepare the cleaning solution in the mop bucket. If you are using Pregame, dilute it at a rate of 1 gallon of Pregame to 4 gallons of water. If you are using Tack It, add it undiluted to a mop bucket. Any non-Hillyard cleaners are not recommended in our procedures. Apply the solution over a 10-foot by 10-foot area. Scrub the floor thoroughly with overlapping passes to ensure sufficient cleaning. Vacuum the slurry with a wet vacuum. Rinse the same area with a mop bucket of clean water and pick up rinse with a wet vacuum. Repeat these steps until entire floor has been properly cleaned and abraded. After each side of the SPP has been used once, replace with a new SPP and continue scrubbing. Step 3. Tack and tape. The equipment and supplies needed for Step 3 include terry cloth towels, a clean push broom, a clean mop bucket and wringer, a Chicks brand stretch and dust tool and cloths, and blue painter's tape. Hillyard Pregame or Tack It. Prepare the cleaning solution as described in Step 2. Soak a terry cloth towel in the solution and wring out. Use the push broom and towel to damp tack the floor until clean. Keep moving the towel every pass to get a clean edge to tack with. Allow the floor to dry. Next, dry tack the floor with the Chicks stretch and dust tool and cloths. Keep moving the cloth every pass to get a clean edge to tack with. Tape off any volleyball standards or related objects within the court with blue painter's tape to prevent finishing over them. Step 4. Apply Basecoat II. The equipment and supplies needed for Step 4 include a lightweight T-bar, a synthetic T-bar pad, a watering can, and Basecoat II. Run a bead of Basecoat II the length of the gym using the watering can. Saturate the T-bar pad and pull the applicator at a 30-degree angle the length of the floor, always keeping the Basecoat II flowing towards the unfinished side of the floor. Continue until the entire floor is coated. Basecoat II should be applied at a rate of 500 to 550 square feet per gallon. Turn on the exhaust system 1 to 2 hours after application. Allow the floor to dry 4 to 6 hours before proceeding. Temperature and humidity will affect the drying and curing properties. Step 5. Apply 1907 gym finish. The equipment and supplies needed for Step 5 include a lightweight T-bar, a synthetic T-bar pad, a watering can, and 1907 gym finish. Important: if Basecoat II dries longer than 10 hours, the floor must be abraded with Hillyard maroon pads at a rate of 250 square feet per side and tacked as stated in Step 3 prior to finishing with 1907. Apply 1907 using the same method as described in Step 4. 1907 should be applied at a rate of 500 to 550 square feet per gallon. Turn on the exhaust system 1 to 2 hours after application. Step 6. Allow 1907 gym finish to cure before opening up to traffic. Your floor is looking great and ready for play. Congratulations on a job well done.